Well, I guess you can tell I've been watching Wally's video on YouTube. I got this old wrench here, and I think I'm going to try it out on my wire wheel there and see if I can't polish it up and read any of that. I don't know what brand this is or anything else. It's one of my pappy's old wrenches. We'll get her cleaned up and see if it shows anything. Alright, well, guess I'll get started on it. See what the thing looks like when we get done here. Alright, well, I may not have gotten it as shiny as Wally's was, but I'm using a bench grinder. I don't have a little angle not angle grinder, a middle wire wheel. But I think I can get to it there. Let me see here. There we are. Forged steel. And if it says anything here, I think it's just oil. I oiled it up after I wire wheeled it down. This is 18-inch Proto 818. And then if I flip it over, of course it's got the 18 up at the top there, guaranteed. And then scroll down, it's got 18-inch manufactured Plum Tool Company, USA. I've never heard of the Plum Tool Company. If anybody else has, give me a holler. But I want to go ahead and I guess just hang that back up where it was. It originally had red paint on it because there was still just a little bit of that red left in the handle down here, down in the crevices before I wire wheeled it. I say this was shinier, but like I say, I've rubbed it down with oil from my old oil can there. Alright, well, this is Gary signing off. Thanks for watching.